Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. So I just got back from Keystone Clash 2022 and I did my first ever aquascaping contest there, and one of the things that came with the tank was a filter, and there was a little snafu with one of the tanks, so the person who was entered with it couldn't take it home, so they asked me if I would take it. So I said yes. So that means I get a brand new toy to play with. Not only did I get the tank, but I also got the filter that came with it. It's a cool Oase filter. It is this Oase BioStyle Thermo 30. Now, it's your typical hang-on back, only the difference with this one is it actually has a built-in heater on the back side of it. So you don't have to worry about adding a heater. Everything's in here. Also, kind of a low profile. Doesn't get too intrusive into your tank if you're doing a scape. So I thought I would just open this bad boy up, show it off a little bit, show you some of the cool little things in it. It's basically a run-of-the-mill hang-on back, which was a couple little extra things in there. So let's take a look inside the box. So you're going to notice you got two cords. One for the hang-on back and filter itself, the pump, and one for your heater. Intake hose nice and clear so you can keep and see if anything gets stuck in there. Then here is the filter. Nice matted plastic. It's nice and smooth too. It doesn't feel too bad. Here's the rest of the intake. It's an adjustable one of the intakes. So all you do is you take your intake here, stick it in the hole, and then you can pull it and adjust to the size that you need. So if you have a really long tank, you can of course pull it out and it's adjusted to that size. Or if you want to do something short, this size was perfect for the scape tanks we did. So it does have multi-stage filtration. So each of these cartridges provides different layers. So you've got filter foam, which is going to catch bigger debris. Then there's a carbon zeolite and phosphate binder in there that's going to pull more stuff in. And then filter fleece on the other side, which is going to trap most debris. And these little things that come right out, and they have little push things here that they fit on. So you just take your cartridge, stick it on there. Of course, you could probably get yourself other types of media. If you wanted to use a different type of sponge, you could of course probably fit that in there. Just poke some holes in it and probably fit in there nicely. Get a look inside here. I'm going to try to do this without spilling the water. That white thing at the bottom there is, in fact, your heater. So it sits on the very bottom. The heater is preset to 79 degrees. You can take this little compartment off here. The battery pack, pull it towards you. It pops right off. You got your motor compartment there, so if you need to, do any work on your impeller. And there's a little slot here for your cords right here. Put it in right there. Fits snugly in there. So it pops right back in. I like this part. It's a little, you got some of your filters got the adjustable feet on it. This one's easy. You just pinch it and you can set it. So you push these two pieces in, and you can pull it out and make it level with the side of your tank. Some have a little dial, some have little things you can add. This one's nice because you can get in there and it's really easy to adjust it to the size of your tank. Easy access to the impeller on this side when you take your little compartment off. And again, it fits on very easily. Make sure your cords are in the hole. And it just pops right back. So, again, nice no profile. Sits in there nicely. The impeller goes through here to help it be more stable. Because some other filters you might notice, when they've got it on the outside, it puts a little more pressure. It can actually pop the impeller out. So once you get it in there, it's like a normal filter. It'll fit right in the hole. Once you get it in there, just give it a little push. And then, of course, it is adjustable, plus or minus right here, this little knob. Honestly, even high flow was not very strong, and I had plants right up against the bottom here. So if you don't like a high flow and you want to turn this down to low, you're probably going to love this filter because low is very minimal. You have a lot of top-level swimmers. They're not going to be permed and blown around your tank too bad with this bad boy here. A couple things about this one. It's 150 gallons per hour power consumption. This motor is only going to consume about 5 watts, 150-watt heater. This hang-on back itself is 8.5 by 6 by 8.5. Again, I would like to say a big thank you to Oase for giving us these. It comes in black, white, and blue, so you can get one that'll fit your needs. So that spreader bar goes right there in the center to give you some more control over your filters. Throw this in here. Then your other one goes in the front. And again, this chamber is rather big, so you could customize it with some other medium if you so chose. 2. I'm just going to use what they gave me because why not? And again, nice little compartments there, nice and easy to use. I'm going to get this bad boy hooked up. Its lid does have a little thingy that pops up and lets you know if it's too full as well.
Thank you again to Oase for this lovely filter when we did the Aquascape at the Keystone Clash 2022. Appreciate it very much. They supplied those for us. If you did like this kind of video, you enjoy product reviews or other fish-related content, please do remember to hit that sub button, drop a like on the video if you did enjoy it too, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've used filters before that have built-in heaters or multi-stage filtering like this Oase does here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.